Hi, and welcome back to the Creative Faith YouTube channel. It is Hillary here, and I am ready and prepared to bring you guys another Bible journaling for the non-artistic video today on my channel. And this is a series, if you guys didn't know, that I have, and I will put a link in the description box below for you to check it out. And so I've been walking through different tools and mediums and ideas on how you can use supplies and Bible journal if you think that you are not super artistic or creative. I hear a lot of people say, oh, Bible journaling sounds fun, but I'm just not artistic. But God made everything in the whole entire world, which means He is creative. And guess what? We are made in His image. And so I don't want you guys to forget that. And so there are lots of different ways that you guys can Bible journal, even if you think you're not super artistic. And so today we are talking all about stickers. I absolutely love stickers. I have been a sticker collector since I was really little. I was probably like 4 or 5, and my parents got me this like manila folder that I would keep in my desk, and I would put my stickers in it. And so for years and years and years, I have loved stickers. And I use them even now in my Bible journaling and planning. So to start off, I'm going to share with you guys just a few places where I get my stickers, and I'm going to show you a couple examples and then do a really simple process video using stickers in my Bible. So to start off, I'll start off on this side. A lot of people might think, oh, I don't like my handwriting, or I'm not very good at hand lettering. I want to tell you guys, use stickers. These are my favorite stickers ever. They are from By the Well for God, and she sells them in lots of different colors. And I will put a link to the By the Well for God Etsy shop in the description box below. So this is a set that I made that coordinate with my ABCs of Christmas devotion book. And so I got to name them, which is so cool. And I've been using these since December of 2018, and you can see I use them a lot, but I still have a lot left. You get a lot of different colors, and they're really easy to peel up, and I picked colors that I use a lot in my journaling. And so they have these little tiles and then these bigger ones. And so these are really nice if you think that you don't like your handwriting or hand lettering. Definitely encourage you to use stickers. So my favorite alphabet stickers are from By the Well for God. Next, I wanted to share with you guys, I have shared before on my YouTube channel about Heart by Cece. I'll link her website down below. She has a really awesome sticker subscription club, and I have the privilege of being on her team for that. And so she makes these really cool stickers, and I love the detail on this ladybug. So if you're like, oh, I'm not very artistic, put one of these down on your Bible page and do some journaling, and that is just a really sweet way to have beautiful artwork on your page and spend time with God and have it look artistic, because Candace is really artistic in her illustrations. Another awesome sticker shop that is something that I just love are these really cool stickers. This one has metallic on it from Neelys Photo on Instagram. I'll put her Instagram account in the description box below, and I think she also has an Etsy shop that I'll link down below. And so she creates these stickers too, and I love the artwork on this, these cute little flowers. And then this lion has this metallic sheen, and so these would be really awesome to put in the margin of your Bible, on the cover of your Bible, on the inside cover of your Bible. I love her artwork. So Neelys Photo is another great place to get stickers. This little roll my mom got me from Walmart, and so I wanted to encourage you guys to keep your eyes open and peeled for cheap options for stickers and maybe like places that you wouldn't necessarily think to look for. And so I think these are really cool stickers. I just ripped one because I wasn't being careful. But I love how these look. Well, I'm not going to keep fighting with this one, but these would be beautiful to use on a Bible page and are just really fun and pretty. So definitely look out for other places that you wouldn't necessarily think to get stickers like Walmart. Next, we have sticker books. I love sticker books. And there are kind of two main places that I get sticker books. So on the left-hand side, we have the Happy Planner. I'm sure a lot of you guys know about Happy Planner, but they have lots of sticker books. Sometimes you can get them for like 50 or 60% off at Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby. And so they're meant for planners, right? Because you have like date night, get it done. But also a lot of these could be used in your Bible journaling. So these would probably fit perfectly in the margins. You could put one of these down and journal underneath. Also, this particular sticker book has a lot of florals. These would be beautiful on a page. So would these. So just because they're planner stickers doesn't mean you can't use it in your Bible. And then this one is by American Crafts. It's kind of their take on the Happy Planner sticker books. They have a bunch of different ones of these and from various artists. So I picked my favorite one to show you guys from Maggie Holmes. So originally you could get these at Hobby Lobby and probably some other places, but I ended up picking mine up at Tuesday Morning. I love going to Tuesday Morning. They always have good deals. This book was originally $19, it was originally $20, and I got it for $7. And I love Maggie Holmes' artwork. I use a lot of these in my prayer journal, actually. And so they are also kind of geared towards planners, but you can use them for so many different things. Do you guys see this one had dates? So that would be a cool way to date your pages. So I love using sticker books. And so check out Tuesday Morning, and the Happy Planner stickers can be found at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and their website. So I wanted to show you guys a couple examples. The first one is from my Illustrating Bible. I actually have a process video for this page, and I'll link that in the description box below. This is using one of Candace's stickers, Heart by CC, and I did this on National Day of Prayer for 2019. And so you can see I have this really cool sticker here. So definitely go watch that process video for kind of a cool way of how to use a sticker in your Bible. And then I know this is Bible journaling for the non-artistic, but I did want to show you guys my new wellness planner. I put one of Candace's stickers on the front of this little cover and inside here. So again, stickers are a neat way if you're like, oh, I don't want to draw something like this. Put a sticker down. And then again, this is from one of the Happy Planner sticker books. Beautiful hand lettering. So if you're like, oh, my handwriting's not very pretty, slap a sticker down. And then here I also have some really cute stickers. So if you're like, oh, I want to put lips down or a cup, but I don't know how to draw, there's probably a sticker for it. So I wanted to show you guys that in my planner also. So a lot of the things that I've been sharing here in my Bible journaling for the non-artistic videos, you can also transfer over into your planners. And let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see and hear more about my wellness planner, if you'd want to see a flip through or something like that. Let me know in the comments below. So now I'm going to put you guys on fast forward and get started doing a process in my Bible. Alright, so today I am working in Matthew chapter 6. I'm pretty sure this is the last Bible that I own that this page is not journaled in. I love journaling in this section of the Bible. It is so full of awesome truths, and today I'm focusing on a line in the Lord's Prayer that I pray every day. And God has just been revealing and showing me over and over again how He does such cool things through prayer and that he provides. And so that verse is, "Give me today my daily bread." And it is a prayer reminding us and asking God to provide for us. And that looks like a bunch of different ways. But right now in my season, God has been just doing neat things with how he has been providing. And I also, as I was journaling and looking on this page in my Bible, noticed that this other section, that's another one of my favorites, says, "Do not be anxious." And so I thought it was so interesting that both of these scriptures are almost back to back. "Give me today my daily bread, and do not be anxious," because God provides for the birds, he provides for the flowers, and he will provide for us too. So I had never realized how close these two of my favorite scriptures are, and I know that God did that on purpose, because that is a way for us to remember and be reminded that we don't need to be anxious because God will provide. And so I am using all sorts of fun stickers to write that out. So that arrow sticker is kind of hard to read, but it says today. And then I am using these By the Will for God alphabet stickers to write out God will provide. So it'll read today, God will provide. And I'm using some different colors, kind of some blues and a little pink for the tiny alpha. And then the flowers came from that Happy Planner sticker book. And I love how this page turned out. It is super simple. It didn't take me a ton of time. It was not messy at all because it was just stickers and a pen. And I just love how it turned out. And then I found these two other stickers that say, "Celebrate, everything is going to be okay." So I just love how this page turned out, and what a beautiful reminder it is for me and you that God will provide. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Creative Faith YouTube channel, and let me know in the comments down below, do you love stickers as much as I do? And be sure to tag me in your creations on Instagram. I would love to see how you use stickers in your Bible journaling. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the Creative Faith YouTube channel. I love you all so very much, and I pray that this video encouraged you today. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends!